Hi, in today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this heart. I'm using this yarn in double thread, but you can use any other yarn. It will work with any yarn. And I will be using the 5mm hook. If you are a very beginner, you can go into settings and put the playback speed to go slower if it's something not clear. I will go with normal speed, but you can make it slower in the settings of the video. So I will leave some yarn, maybe 5-7 centimeters, and I will start to do a slip knot. And I will make a chain of 4. So in this chain of 4, I will skip the first one and make a single crochet into the second one. Okay, so skip first one and go into this one. Now, into the next chain, I will do a half double crochet. And now we have one chain left. In this one, we will do lots of stitches, so prepare to work into this chain next. So we'll start with one double crochet. Now I'll make one chain, and now I'll make triple crochet into the same stitch here. Now I will make one more chain, and I'll make another triple crochet into the same stitch. Now I will chain one more time and make another triple crochet. Now I will chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and make a single crochet into the same stitch. This is how it looks half of the heart. Sometimes it might not look very nice at first, but once we finish the project, it will start to make the shape. Now I'm working into the same loop, but I'm trying to keep this one on the side, the tail. Now we just repeat backwards what we did here. I'm doing the chain of 3, and I'm just coming into the same loop. Yeah, we are still working into the same loop, into this hole. Triple crochet, chain 1, triple crochet, chain 1, triple crochet, as you can see, it doesn't really look as a heart yet, so don't give up if yours is still not looking as a heart. So now that we have here this triple crochet, I'll make another chain and now a double crochet into here. And now we move into the next stitch. You can press it here so you could see it. Now we move away from this hole and we find the next one. Yeah, so literally, so look like in the mirror. Okay, here we did a half double crochet, so we do a half double crochet exactly here. And now all it's left is just one single crochet. Where is the single crochet? In here. So we insert the hook here and we do the last crochet. Now cut the yarn a bit longer and take out like this. And now to make this part to look nice, I will insert my hook into here, into the first like V that I see. Yeah, like that. And what I'm doing is I'm taking the yarn and pull it through this one. So it could make here a nice ending. Yeah? And to cover this hole here, we can do in many ways, but let me show you one of my way that I like to do. And now you see here, find like this hole, because we had 3 chains at first, so you should have these 3 holes. Put the hook here and bring this yarn from the back in the front here. Now bring it back here. Okay, and now again bring it here. And now with the tail left at the beginning and the tail brought up here, we can tie them together. Like that. You can make, once you're happy with it, make another knot. Just don't pull it very tight. So this is one way to cover this hole in here, and I will show you another way. But after, if you did this way, then you can use this as a chain, as like to put it somewhere. Or if you want, you can wave the ends and just hide. But let me show you another way. So another way is to take a needle and from the tail that we have left and to go through the stitches. So I will just go this way. And I will go like that. Take a little bit from here, a little bit from here, a little from here. As you can see, it's closed now. And what you can still do is to just leave this one on that side. Yeah. And still do the closing. Here you can tie it even more. So this is our heart, and you can even hide the ends with a needle, or you can use this as a chain. Put it somewhere. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments. I will be happy to answer. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next one.